it's actually shaking. Here she is. FR, first ever Seat Leon, and it's an FR. I told you guys why I wanted one. This piece of DSG automatic. Let's see if this car starts. That's the rule number one. Okay, we see some sparks there. Wow. Let's go. The car starts up first time. Got really lucky with this price of the car. These value actually around £3,000 to £4,000, probably £5,000 for a mint one, but I just got a really good price on this, and it's always worth, you know, looking on Salvage sites for a damaged car. So I'll get to the bottom of it. So this is a 2007 model Seat Leon FR TFSI DSG, a cat end, so it's a body damage, not structural. It requires a new bonnet, a new headlight. The wing, I actually opened the door and I crushed the wing bit again. I've done this previously with the Honda Civic Type R, where if the car's been hit at the front, and if this is really close to the door, you won't even tell, but I just literally opened the driver's door and I've crushed the wing in. So that's one of my downfalls. So my recommendation, if you're gonna open the door, just be careful. New bonnet, new headlight. The bumper could be saved because there's literally no damage, it's just scuff damage on the front bumper. I've mirrored it up to the other side and it looks perfectly fine. Do a walk around. Rims are actually pretty good. It's got really good pads on the car, so I got lucky with that. It's actually got decent discs all around. So previous owner clearly looked after the car, put new discs and pads around the car. Interior in the car is pretty decent. I do like the bucket seats on these, the FRs, compared to Volkswagen Golf and stuff. It just has a sportier look just in general. Oi. Looking at it, we need a new slam panel, but they're ready to onto it and it's going to be good as new. I did check the engine oil and so looking pretty decent, and the most important thing is the car runs. The most important thing, that's the reason why I bought the car, is because of the engine. And the mileage on this car is actually below 100,000, just below 100,000. I'm going to plan to fix the car and not take it to a body shop this time. Crushed in, it's also a bit rusty. So let's start off. We bought this headlight from eBay. I believe this headlight cost £50. This is here it is. Secondly, we've got the bonnet. This was from on Gumtree. We searched for a bonnet, so it's black, it's the same colour, and we bought this for £90. So this was from the Facebook market. So it's a bit dirty, but it's intact. There's not much rust on the side bit, and it comes with the indicator light as well. So wing, headlight, bonnet. That one there just drops.
One question for you. What are those?
Okay, what's going on, guys? So far the Seat Leon, we have taken the front bumper off. I tried to record it, it died. There's literally 16 bolts to take off. I believe there's like a couple of bolts. There's some missing. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at the bottom. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 around the arches around here, and then the other side, and then all at the bottom around here. So if we can assess the damage, this is the reinforcement bar, and you can see that it's pretty still. There's no damage in the reinforcement bar. we have got a replacement one right here. It came with the radiator, which I don't think is too, it's not, you know, we don't need it, and then the rear reinforcement bar, the secondary one. But what we need is this plastic bit which holds the light, the front bumper, because I'll show you the damage of the other one. And it still looks good, this one is very good condition. So if you look at this one, you can see it's got one here, but then if you look on the other side, it's just completely just broke off. You can even like demolished even here and here. It's not even hanging on anything, it's actually shaking, and you can see it's broke off the metal bit here. So it's not even holding on to anything right now. We have to just take off all this front end off, the plastic off, swap the radiator onto the second-hand one that we bought for 50 quid. Okay, we've now taken off the bottom under tray off. And check this out, guys. You can actually take off the front crash panel. Doesn't that look so crazy now? That is so crazy. I've never done anything like this before in my life. The only thing that's connected now is the bonnet cable. We're going to take that bonnet cable off and then we'll replace it with the other slam panel, and then we're good to go. That's hard work, that is. Okay, so far we've managed to put in the new radiator in with a new front slam panel, but so far so good. It's looking so promising, so much better. Sometimes when you dig into these things and when you dive into it, you always got to believe that you can finish it and don't quit halfway. So that's the mindset that we try to bring in. So yeah, so stay tuned, guys. Let's carry on with the video. We need some more light. don't even necessarily have to get my hand, but we can talk about it.